welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we need to catch up a little bit here with The Weeknd. He released great songs here recently. This one is first out of Time. So cool song here, and the challenging part is the strumming. Otherwise, same chords that goes over and over again. So let's start here to set the capo on the 3rd fret to match up the sound. And we have 4 different chords to handle. So let's start with the F major 7 first. Sounds and looks like this. So that is 3rd here on the D string, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, the next chord is the E minor 7. You only need 1 finger for that. So that is open E, 2nd A, then open D, open G, open B, and open E. Pretty easy. Alright, next chord is the A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D minor. Okay, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so D minor was the last chord there. So 4 chords, and the chord progression that goes through the entire song is F major 7 to E minor 7 to A minor, then D minor, E minor 7 to A minor. Okay, and you can think the strumming pattern here as a triple of chords. Okay, so you will play the F major 7, the E minor 7, and A minor in the same way as you're gonna play the D minor 7, E minor 7, and A minor, if that makes sense. I'm gonna explain now. So the F major 7 parts will sound like this for the strumming. That is the longest part. So it starts with down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. Yeah, that's the full part. So down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. So we can start with down, clap, down, up, down, down. Down, clap, down, up, down, down. Down, clap, down, down, down. And then it follows with the clap, down, up. So down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. And then you move to the E minor 7. And here you're gonna play down, down, up, clap. And that's it. So down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. And the final is the A minor. And here we're gonna play down, down, clap, down, up. So it's kind of a small pause between the 2 downs here. So down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down. Yeah, so that is kind of the full strumming if you look at this as triple chords, since you're gonna start all over again and play the D minor in the same way we learned for the F major 7, and then comes the E minor 7 in the same way as we learned the E minor 7, the first chords, half of chord progression here, and then the A minor in the same way as we learned the A minor. So the only difference here is the F major 7 and the D minor. Okay, so if we play through this pretty slow, we will see what we can do about it and see if we can learn it. So let's go from the F major 7. Down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay. So one round is F major 7, E minor 7, A minor. Next round, D minor instead of F major 7, and the rest is the same, E minor 7 and A minor. So let's go for a couple rounds, this full chord progression. And that pretty much covers the Weeknd's Out of Time song. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if it was helpful, let me know. Thumb this up, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and play tuned.